Time for a room tour.
Welcome to 2130. Come on in.
Thank you.
Thank you. So let's start right here, Cody. I'm going to turn right here and we'll start right as you walk in. So when you first walk in to the right is a bathroom. On Disney, they are split bathrooms, especially on the Treasure. All bathrooms are split bathrooms.
Nice. Sea salt, hand soap. Cool.
All right, let's try the second bathroom. Second bathroom has a shower. So you get two sinks,
And a tall mirror for
shower.
getting ready on the door. Glass door shower. There you go.
Yeah, none of that sticky shower curtain.
Plastic curtains. Like
My
the
least
towels
favorite
even
thing.
have the Disney Cruise Line like imprint on them. Plenty of towels. Ooh, lotion. Sea salt bath soap. Nice.
Also, if you were to turn to the left, this is where you will find all your storage for your clothes, your safe, also your life jackets.
And it lights up when you open
And it
the
lights
doors.
up. Has a sensor.
Very cool.
Because Disney. Alright, let's open the second one. Here we go. More storage.
Oh, that's a lot.
Top to bottom storage. This is great if you have a long dress. And more life jackets.
Yep.
Alright. So then here's the rest of the room. We have a nice Disney king size bed. Oh, you have an international plug on that side and a reading lamp.
Okay. Oh, look. USB-C, regular USB.
Oh, nice.
And
On top
international.
of that. That's cool.
Artwork.
Yeah, you can turn the
Oh.
light off.
Okay, yeah, it's all dark, and then
Lit up.
later on it's lit up. It's cool.
We have an Aladdin room. We are on deck 2. It's Aladdin and Pocahontas.
Genie as the moon.
Made you love.
Castle. Yeah. Oh, look.
Aladdin. and
Here's a silhouette of Abu.
This bed turns into a twin bed for our daughter. She's gonna be sleeping in here. And then in here, I think this is where the cooler is. It's a drawer cooler
Nice.
for all your drinks. You have some drawers for storage. You have your hair dryer and your hot mat to protect the top from burns. We have more drawers, more drawers. Lots of storage. These are great when the boat starts moving. You got stuff to protect your stuff so it doesn't fall out. And we also have this drawer that has some postcards. These Disney pens are like hot commodities. This is our continental breakfast in the morning. Leave that out. Give them the time to drop it by, and it's your vanity. Looks like you turn lights off, mirror, ceiling, curtain. There's a curtain light right there. Really nice.
Okay.
Very cool.
So much lighting.
Yep.
Oh. That's cool.
Oh, grandma. See the Cave of Wonders? Very cool. We have an ocean view room, so that means we have this gorgeous port and this beautiful view of Voyager of the Seas with Royal and Carnival Vista, Port Canaveral, Florida. So we got 2 rooms. So we have a connecting room, 2130 and 2132 connect. And so let's see our monsters. Oh, they shut the door.
Double door.
Double door for safety. And there's our chaos.
There you go.
We just hid it all away.
And their room's like a mirror version of ours, but they
They
have
have Pocahontas.
Pocahontas. Very cool. Oh, and this, I wonder what this map is. Just around the riverbed.
Just around the riverbed.
Heck yeah. Oh, look, they're watching Up.
Oh gosh, this movie breaks my heart.
Nice. That's nice to have right next to you. I wonder if it's so new that it's never been peeled off, like the little sticker.
Reading light glows. Let's go. That is
So we got a phone, room service. Oh, here you go, little trash and recycle bins. There's a big curtain right here. Let's see. See how easy this is to unhook. Very easy.
Bye.
Bye. Complete separation. Need that sometimes.
Need a little privacy.
Yeah, you know. Very cool.
But not yet. I want to spend time with you now. Yay! Yay!
So what do you think about the room, Al?
What do you think, Al?
What about the room?
Yeah, what do you think?
It's cool, and I like the window.
You like the window?
Yep.
I figured you would.
It's got a little Mickey right here.
Oh my gosh, they have little hidden Mickeys out.
And this blanket has just Mickeys all over it.
All over, yeah.
Treasure. It's very soft.
Blanket.
Really soft.
I'm like,
and
how much is the blanket worth? It's really nice. It's like stretchy.
Yeah.
Okay, let me shut up.
It's very soft, and it's like not too heavy either.
Yeah.
It's cool. Oh, I like how they have this little hook right here. Like dryer swimsuits. Little thermostat here.
What?
Oh, nice. Good eye, Ella.
Mickey! Disney Cruise 2025. Woo!
On the treasure.
On the Disney Treasure.
This bed is the most comfortable bed I think I've ever laid in.